lovies, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl, Lydia Isaac. Hope you're all doing great. So guys, today we're going to make this tasty yam porridge recipe. So here are the list of the ingredients I'm going to use today. I'm using some yam. I'm using just one ripe plantain to give it that nice delicious taste. I'm using some sweet long red pepper, some palm oil, tomato paste. I'm using some onion, some scotch bonnet pepper. I'm also going to use some ginger and garlic, crayfish, one normangi, some smoked mackerel fish and turkey, smoked turkey. I'll also use some vegetable to give it some nice taste. So guys, what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to peel my yam as usual. So I'm just going to cut my yam and peel them. So guys, thank you very much for clicking on my video. If it's your first time of joining me, you're so welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you love my video, so you'll be part of the family. And to all my old subscribers, I say thank you for sticking by with me. I love you all. So guys, I'm just going to pour in my palm oil and preheat it for just 1 minute. I'm just going to preheat it for 1 minute. So you can see my oil is a little bit hot. I'm just pouring in my onion, garlic and ginger. And right now I'm going to put in my tomato paste. So I'm just going to stir and allow my tomato paste to dry. I'm just going to leave it to cook for like 3 to 5 minutes. My tomato paste is not a lot, so I'm just going to let it cook for 3 minutes. So at this moment I'm going to add in my crayfish. And right now I'm going to pour in my blended sweet long pepper and my onion and every other ingredient that I blended together, and I'm just going to stir it and let it cook till it's properly cooked and simmer. I'm going to let the water on it to dry off. So guys, here it is. It's been cooking for some minutes. I'm going to put in my normangi cube to give it a nice taste, and I'm going to add in some salt to taste as well. I'm going to add a teaspoon of curry powder. And I'm going to throw in my smoked turkey and mackerel fish. Guys, this smoked turkey and mackerel fish is going to give your porridge another taste. It's going to take it to the highest level. Oh my goodness. You need to try smoked turkey on your yam pottage. You're going to fall in love. I'm telling you the truth, you're going to fall in love. So I'm just going to leave my sauce to cook. Right now I'm going to slice my yam into little cubes into the desired size that I want. And while doing that, you can take off any particles of the yam that is like not that good. You can just take them off because all you need is the good part of the yam. So guys, the reason I'm using this ripe plantain is to give it that nice flavor. I love to add one ripe plantain to my yam pottage, as this like it takes the taste to, I don't know how I'm going to say it, it just give it that vibe, it make you to feel the nice taste from the yam pottage. Okay, so right now my tomato sauce is properly cooked. I just tasted it and it was delish. So guys, I'm going to take it off and put my pan in the fire that I'm going to use to cook my pottage. So guys, let me know on the comment section, because I know back then in Africa we call it porridge. Okay, coming here to the UK, I was so surprised that people like they call oatmeal porridge, and I'm like, which porridge? This is not porridge, this is cook and oat, because that's what I know we call it in Nigeria, cook and oat. So I came here, I noticed they call it porridge, and since then I quit calling yam porridge. I just say, okay, I can't be eating oatmeal as porridge and eating yam as porridge. Let me just stick with the pottage idea. So guys, let me know on the comment section what you call it. If you still call it pottage, porridge, let me know, as I'm still a bit confused. But for me at the moment, I just stick with pottage. Okay, so guys, I'm just going to stir my yam with the tomato sauce, and at this point you're going to make sure you have enough water that is going to cook your yam, because your yam needs to cook for about 25 to 30 minutes, depends on the quantity that you're making and the size. So you can see my yam have been cooking and it's properly cooked. I'm just adding my vegetable and I'm going to leave it to cook for just 30 seconds. I don't want my vegetables to be cooked. I don't want to lose the nutrients in it. So I'm just going to cover and let it simmer for just 30 seconds, and that's it guys. Yeah, that's my yam porridge after 30 seconds of adding my vegetable. Guys, this yam pottage is delicious. I'm not ranting guys, you need to try this recipe. It's delicious, it's healthy, and I love how it came out. So guys, if you love this recipe, if you love this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and see you on my next video. Stay blessed and be happy. Bye.